Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. This is Connie. I want to welcome you to my channel. I had a request to see if or know if I had a tutorial for my candy cane wreath for my beef stick holders. I believe I made them last year for Christmas. I didn't, but I said I would get one put up for you, and I apologize for my absence and this taking a while. I've had some health issues, so it's taken a bit, but hopefully things are on the right track again. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm using my Scrap Chick candy cane tag, which is this portion right here. And what you'll need first of all, before you even get started, is the correct dimensions. So Cricut, I know for sure, I don't work with Silhouette, but Cricut will resize these pieces automatically. I would suggest duplicating the original, all of the pieces, and then just resizing them as you go. So this is 2.929 by 9.11 high. This piece is 2.951 by 11.114. This is 2.746 by 0.819, also 2.746 by 0.879, as is this 2.746 by 0.819. This piece is 2.746 by 4.39. This is 2.746 by 3.428. So we're going to go ahead and get started. You will also need two shapes, which are just a circle. I'm just making one and I'll duplicate it, but it needs to be 0.644 inches high and wide. And then I made one, I'm going to duplicate it. Just get those done out of the way. I'm going to duplicate this, okay? These dash lines, make this a little bigger. These dash lines on here are score lines. I'm going to first resize it. Before you do anything, resize it. I've retaken this video several times to get everything between my system to work, and it's just been so long since I've done a video and things have changed. And all of the changes with Cricut Design Space since I last did much with this. So hopefully this is the last time. So I have resized it first before I do anything. Then I'm going to come over where it's in green here. I'm going to detach it first, okay? And then I'm going to ungroup it. So I have several different things. Here, if you don't want these little circles on these pieces, same as these, and then these on the green, those top ones, you can go in and contour those pretty easy. This one, we're going to do it. I'll show you how. They are for ties if you use ribbon or string to tie your candy cane in. If you want to use it for the beef stick, by all means do. This is snug enough that you don't have to. And I apologize, I don't remember the exact size of the beef sticks I used. I know they were the little bit bigger ones, and they almost fit the full size of the candy cane holder, the full length, which is going to be about, where am I at? It's about 9 inches. So when you go to the store, you kind of can eyeball it, or if you have a small tape measure, you can take, but you'll see. And they're, I'm going to say the size of maybe your little finger, around somewhere in there, depending upon your finger size, maybe a little smaller. My finger sizes change from day to day, so I can't answer exactly there. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to change this to white so it's easier for me to work with for you. And I'm going to come back and click on the contour button. And I want those two to be contoured. I'm going to click on apply, and they're gone. Okay. I'm going to come back and select this and attach. Here's where I'm going to come in and get my two little circles and bring these over, put them over here, center them the best you can between these two, this top score line and the second one, and the bottom one and the next one up. Centering between the two, don't worry about horizontally, just vertically for now. Again, select everything, come up here to align, center horizontally, and then align them up, and again, attach. It's going to cut those circles out. The other circles are still behind it because you just are putting this over the top, so it'll cut both of them. That's fine. If you don't. I found that, let me see if I can, I'm not going to try it. I've had such a problem. It was just easier to let it cut that way and just remove both the circles. Every time I tried to do something, I lost the full tag itself. Okay? So, and to show that this white tag, and oh, here it is. These are the same. I'll just kind of go, here, I'll make it easier on myself. You can see when I show you here, everything is lining up. So I want to get rid of the white one. Come back down, make this a little smaller. The red is going to be cut out of cardstock. That's your base. When you fold this one, it's going to get glued on top of here for the most part. The green pieces are cut out of pattern paper, all of them. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cut my red pieces out, and I will come back and show you how to assemble them, and then you can layer the green pieces on top as you wish and decorate it as you wish. But this is the basic part for Cricut Design Space. So I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so I have two pieces cut out here, which from the video would have been the two red pieces, right? I just did two different colors, just took white and scrap. So you see you have your holes. They look they're a lot bigger than they looked on the excuse me, on the screen. And you have your score lines, which I did score, but you have those, as you can see here. So your first score line, you're going to fold everything up. So you take the bottom, fold it up, so you get a valley fold. Next one, you're going to do a mountain fold, again a mountain fold, and then a valley fold. So what you're going to have is, it's going to look like this. And I apologize, I can't see 100%. I'm hoping I'm in screen. I think I am. Yeah. Here. Okay. If it were me, I would put my pattern pieces on first. They go one, and your small piece obviously with the holes, and you'll figure it out. But I would put those on first. It'll be a lot easier to glue them than once you get these two attached. Once you get your pattern pieces on, you can decorate it after you're done. That's easy enough. But you're going to line these up, and starting at the top, attach glue to the back, and I'll do that in a moment, and then the bottom piece attaches. So you're going to have something that looks like this, and your, let me glue these together quick, and then I'll show you with the pencil how they're going to, I'm sure you'll get it, but just show you how the, let's see, just getting the glue here going, how the beef stick will go through. Just a rough shot of glue here. Okay, so I'm going to take the top and attach it. Okay, only fold it, or press down to the first score line, and then from the bottom line it up, press up to the first score line. Okay, so again, you have something that looks like this, and we'll just take my pokey tool. I'm going to put it through the two holes, and that is your beef stick holder. Very simple. And then again, you would have your pattern paper on. If you want to to put a hole in there, you can either punch a hole, or you can do it before you cut everything out in Design Space. So anyway, that is my video. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope to be back soon, get back into my videos. So again, I apologize, but everybody have a great day. Take care.